All right, ladies and gentlemen, apologies for the late video. So today I want to demonstrate to you how to digitize an image, So what we have is a raster image. Either it can be taken using a drone or a scanned image and a scanned old topographic map. And you want to there are features in that map that you're interested in: boundaries, rivers, roads, buildings, and you want to trace them so that they remain as a digital file on your QGIS software, file that you can manipulate, can delete and resize and do that. So we want we're not going to georeference, but we want to digitize. So to digitize is to trace features. To digitize is to trace roads, trace rivers, trace boundaries. So the first step is to add your raster layer. Go to add layer because this is an image. You go to add raster. Then you go to the folder containing the raster, and the folder is in practical 2 digitizing. Then you add CSA plots, but in this case you add CSA plots JPEG file, not CSA plots DAT, not CSA plots JPEG OX, no, but JPEG JPG file. This one, you open, add, then you close. So your plots have been added. Another important thing to do before you start digitizing is to see this window down here, EPSG 4326. You can change that to WGS84 UTMs on 35S. You can write here so that you find WGS84 UTMs on 35S. You can type there. You'll also get that coordinate system. So we've changed to 32735. Now we want to start digitizing. So we're going to start with the boundaries of these major plots. So we're going to start with the boundaries of these major plots. So what we're going to do is going to layer. Now we're not adding a layer, but we're creating a layer, which is a new shapefile layer. We save it. In a folder and call it plot. So we want to first digitize our plots. Very important. Geometry type, here you're going to choose polygon. Then under EPSG WGS84, you choose WGS84 UTMs on 35S. If you can't find it, you go to this small icon and you say you type WGS84 and stroke UTM zone 35S. Here is the coordinate system down there. Press OK. So we're going to give it a field called name. So we're going to name each and every plot. It's going to be a string. Then add to field list. Don't forget this one. And press OK. Alright, so you zoom in to the corner of come to the plots, you right click on it, you edit mode. Then when you press edit mode, it will open these icons. So we're interested in this icon called add polygon feature. That's the one you use to trace AMA plots now. So we want to trace AMA plot boundaries. So you come here, come to the corner, you press there, another corner, press there. Then you take this hand, drag downwards. So our plot ends here. You repress that, you come and press there, press also here, and then press Spanapa, and then right click, give it a name PLT01, PLT01, then you press OK. So you've got your plot number 1. Now you're going to plot number 2. Press per corner, zoom out, zoom in, press another corner here, zoom out, zoom in, press another corner then you press the final corner, you right click, then this one becomes PLT02. Come to the third one, press there, press there, press there, and then press there, right click, then becomes PLT3. Okay, I'll do just 4 plots. Press per corner, press another corner, press another corner, this becomes PLT4. So these are our plots. Do the same for all the plots. Then when you finished digitizing this plot, this plot, this plot, this one, 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 and this one, right click again, then press total editing, then save. So you now have your plots. Now have your plots. So what you can do now is to change how they look. Change how they look. Come here, make them green, lime. There are our plots. Now we've remained with our plots. When you are creating a map, you need to remove the base map underneath. You need to remove the base map underneath. So name, apply. So there are the plots that we have. You can even create a map now from that. Measure areas. The next step, switch off this one, switch on the plots. The next step now is to digitize the roads. Digitize the roads. So we're going to say layer, add vector layer. Layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. Then you save it again. Name it rows. Geometry type. This one is a rod, so it's going to be a line. Then maybe name if you want. If they've got names, add to fit list. Okay. So these are roads in between the plots. So we're going to start with this one. So you come here, total editing, and here add line feature. So you add banner, left click, back. If it's straight, can even until you finish. Then you right click, RD1. Okay. Then we come here, start from here. This one. If this one, click there, click there, click there, click there, click there. Can even move. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah, you can create as many rows as you want. Then left click, RDG becomes that one. So now I can do these straight ones. Come here, click there, then left click, and it becomes RD3. There are the rods. So you can trace all the rods in these plots. After that, after you finished, then you say save layer edits, then toggle editing. The rods. If you switch off your plots now, they've remained with your rods. You can change how they look. Change how they look. So there are your plots and your rods. Another thing you can digitize is the canals. So do the same with the canals using lines. And after that, you create a map. Create a map showing what you've digitized. All right, there's another question on how to, I'll just use these few plots. These few plots, PLT, PL3, 4, 5, 4. Then I'll add a layer, another layer, the raster, the NDVI before and the NDVI after. So we've got the NDVI after and the NDVI before. I'll add that to QGIS. So we've got before and after. So this was before, this was after, this was before, this was after. So I want to see if there are any changes in our plots before and after. Are there any changes in our plots before and after? So there's another, if you come to raster, I think, analysis, no. So let's look for zonal statistics, this one. So you input your layer, which are plots, your raster, it's NDVI before, and then here, no need. But here I just want you to calculate the mean, not the sum, but the mean NDVI. Okay, go back there, then here, save to file. This becomes mean NDVI before, then you save, then you run. Alright, column prefix. Alright, like that. Then you run. Okay. So if you check NDVI before, if you open the attribute table, for each plot it will tell you what was the mean NDVI. Altogether, you can see the plot 1 was already doing well before the intervention. Plot 2 was at 0.69 before the intervention. Let me see. Now let's try after. Now try after. Then we put NDVI after. Then we run. Open attribute table. Oh, sorry. Let me start afresh. Start afresh this one. So you look for zonal statistics. Your input layer are your boundaries that you have, the plots that you have created. Then your raster layer, the first raster layer you have to use is NDVI before. Then you choose which statistics you want. In this case, we just want the mean. Press OK there. Then make sure here is NDVI before. Then you run. So I've got attribute table. This is the NDVI before for these plots. Let's see after. So the statistics here shows plots. Here it's NDVI after. Then you run to see if there are any changes in terms of alright, what you can do now, this is NDVI, and this is NDVI before. Just open attribute table, select all using this, then copy and put it in an Excel file. Okay, so this was sure. Alright, this was NDVI before. Then you're going to have after. So go and open the zonal statistics that you created for after in QGIS, which is this one. You want to compare these two, select all, then copy, then you come here, then you paste there, delete all this and remain with the mean. So this is our mean NDVI after. Just copy it and put it here. Paste it here. Okay, you can even delete this. So I've left with before and after. So you can see this one, of course, went down after the intervention. 693 still the same even after the intervention, because it increased a little bit. But plot 3 and plot 4 was 0.1. There was no production, no greenness at all, but it has increased to 0.74. Plot 4 was 0.18, it has increased to 0.75. So those are some of the dynamics that you want to, can even create a graph from this. Some of the dynamics you want to show. For instance, use a chart like this one. So if I add axis tag list, alright, so we've got before and after. We can see for plot 1 it reduced, for plot 2 it remained the same, but for plot 3 there was a significant increase in terms of crop density as a result of our interventions. So those are some of the dynamics that you want to show. So thank you guys. You can digitize whatever you want to digitize. All the best. Hope you are following along. Thank you.